Tamil Nadu BJP chief K. Annamalai has slammed the DMK government. He said that Stalin didn't make enough arrangements for the people. He's said that it's an utter failure of the DMK administration for such an incident to have taken place in the state. Silva, pressure now mounting on the DMK government, the BJP not leaving any chance over there as far as cornering the government is concerned in such a scenario. Is there anything we've heard from the DMK as yet? Is there an official statement that's been issued? Could you tell us more on that?
Well, as far as the opposition parties are concerned, they're going all guns blazing against the DMK government, and rightfully so, because what has happened is complete chaos and mismanagement, and that is what the opposition parties are questioning. In fact, they are asking as to how the DMK government managed to conduct a car race properly, because that was a pet project, a dream project of Deputy Chief Minister Udayanidhi Stalin. Whereas the Indian Air Force show, there was complete mismanagement, and they are saying that authorities showed a lot of negligence in making sure that proper arrangements, because it was proper arrangements were lacking, and this goes on to show the negligence of the officials and the authorities is what the opposition parties, of course, are now alleging and accusing the DMK government of, and they are, of course, demanding accountability. And on side of the DMK government, it is only the health minister that has now reacted to this particular controversy. This what has happened today. He, of course, says enough arrangements were made by the government and in coordination with the Indian Air Force, but clearly the arrangements were not enough, and that is the visuals that we're getting from the ground are proof of that. And tomorrow, of course, we are expecting more detailed answers from the Chennai Police, the Chennai Corporation, and probably even the Indian Air Force as to what went wrong. Was there a lack in coordination? Was there a lack? Was there miscommunication? Was there, an intelligence failure in just assessing how many people would turn up? All of that, we'll of course put these questions to the authorities concerned tomorrow morning itself. But for now, it is only the health minister who has said that over 7,500 police personnel were on duty to manage the crowd, to ensure that everything went on, properly without any law and order issues. But the questions, of course, are being asked of the DMK government, because many are questioning, for instance, actor politician Vijay, who's all set to hold his first state conference in Vikravandi in Viluppuram on October 27th. They are also expecting a huge crowd to gather. And in that case, the police took a long time to give them permission, asking them over 21 questions as to how they're going to manage the crowd, how they're going to manage the people who are going to come in. So they're saying, if you're showing so much of caution in that case, why didn't that happen in the case of the Indian Air Force show? Why didn't the same priority apply for the Indian Air Force show is the question that many are also asking as to how this has happened, and why was there no proper planning or management or coordination from the side of the authorities, given the fact that this is the Indian Air Force show, and the Indian Air Force itself said that they were anticipating around 15 lakh people to come to the Marina Beach today.